So this lecture is just an introductory lecture on the hormones of anterior pituitary gland. So the hormones made by anterior pituitary gland can be divided by categorized by the cells that make them. And the cells can further be categorized into two major categories. The first is acidophils, and these are called acidophils because under a microscope they stain red, pinkish, and the others are basophils. So basophils will stain blue purplish. So for acidophils, we have two different cells. First is somatotroph. These cells produce growth hormone, and the other one being lactotroph. These cells produce prolactin. Now moving on to basophils, this has three different cells. The first one being thyrotroph. These cells synthesize TSH. And the next one is gonadotroph. These synthesize two different hormones. The first one being FSH and the second one LH. Then we have corticotroph. So corticotroph synthesizes this molecule called POMC, which stands for pro-opiomelanocortin. So POMC can be cut by different enzymes and can give rise to four different hormones. Those are ACTH, MSH, beta endorphin, and beta lipotropin. So every single hormone that you see on the screen is targets a specific gland on a specific organ, except for one, and that is growth hormone. So in our upcoming lectures, we're gonna further discuss in details all these hormones, starting with growth hormone. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and share with someone who might be struggling in this topic. Go make their day.